it's Daijia. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, today we're doing a video that everyone has been doing recently, and I was like, okay, well, let me just jump on the bandwagon. And honestly, the reason why I want to do this is because one of my favorite YouTubers, Armana, I'm sure you guys know who she is. She did this, and the one day I was doing my foundation, like off camera, just for like a video, and I tried the little setting spray hack thing where it's like put on your primer, setting spray, put on your foundation and wet stuff setting spray. I'll explain it later in the video, and it actually looked fire. So I was like, you know what, maybe there are some TikTok makeup hacks that make your makeup look fire. So in today's video, we're going to be doing, as you can tell, a TikTok makeup hacks video. So if you guys want to see me trying makeup TikTok, why do I keep saying TikTok? What? Makeup TikTok hacks, TikTok makeup hacks, TikTok. Okay, if you guys want to see me try TikTok makeup hacks, just keep on watching. Okay, so I have some I'm about to just start saying TikToks just to be funny. Okay, I have some TikToks saved. Well, like, I don't know if I can put them on the screen because obviously I don't know with like sounds and stuff. Also, I'm not a big YouTuber, so I don't want to get like copyright stricken or whatever. So I'm just gonna look at them and then like explain them to you guys. Let me see if I have any for eyebrows. Okay, so I don't have any for eyebrows, but I was thinking, I used to do soap brows, but then I was like, but I kind of want to do it for this video just because I feel like, oh, this smells good. I mean, it's literally soap. I want to do it for this video because I feel like it's a very gimmicky Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, social media trend. So I think I'm going to do some soap brows, and then we'll come back. Like I said, I don't have a TikTok for this. I don't have a TikTok for this, but I know how to do it because I used to do it. You know, they actually don't look that bad. I just don't know if the little natural fluffy brow is for me. I just don't know. Okay, so now let's move on to technically the first TikTok makeup hack. What is going on with my speech? The first TikTok makeup hack. So I actually washed my face like, I mean, it was in the morning. It was probably like at 12 because I woke up kind of late. But I'm going to re-moisturize just to do this. Okay, so then I'm going to take some of my Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly moisturizer. I actually like my brows a lot. Okay, so I'm also going to take this Aveeno Positively Radiant moisturizer, which has sunscreen or SPF in it, because I remember in Arnell's video the guy was saying like he was doing this similar hack, but he said to use an SPF or like a sunscreen. I honestly don't remember which one it was, but he said to do that. Okay, so I'm really nervous. Okay, so keep in mind I don't have the powders. I mean, I don't think it matters because she said she used the Fit Me one, but I'm gonna use the Airspun powder. In the video that I have, it's a different person like doing it, but she's using a brush to like put it on her face and not like a sponge. So I'm gonna use a brush. And honestly guys, I'm down to do anything that fixes foundation because I mean, I have a routine that is good and is pretty much the best way my foundation has looked since I did makeup, but it's not top tier at all. So I'm willing to do just about anything. I'll sell my soul for a base that doesn't look like what's it called, creasy up close. Now I'm gonna take the MAC Fix Plus. I mean, technically it's a primer, technically it's a setting spray, technically it's like a primer and stuff or whatever, but I'm gonna take this and spray after because it says now take a setting spray. Now I'm gonna put on a primer. I have a bunch of different ones, but I'm just gonna take the e.l.f. Mineral Infused one. I don't honestly know what this does, but it is kind of similar to the one that it looked like they use. Like, I want to use one that's like lightweight. My other ones, like I have the e.l.f. Pore one. I don't think that one will work good. I have a Makeup Revolution one, but wow, my face feels very smooth. So I have another one that's like, okay, I'm gonna do this one. So I'm gonna take my foundation, the Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm gonna mix it with powder. This one is the foundation mixed with powder hack. So let's do it. It's supposed to make it like full coverage and stuff. My face feels so smooth. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this banana powder instead of the Airspun one because sometimes I'll be leaving a white cast. So I'm gonna take the foundation. I'm gonna put a little bit, I think that's good, right, of powder into it, and then I'm gonna mix them. I always do my upper half first. This literally looks immaculate. Like, it's so smooth. Usually I have some like separation under my eyes and stuff. It's so like full coverage, and that's the reason I kind of use like the Fit Me, just to see how much coverage the powder would add. I was thinking in my head, like, am I gonna want to do all this every single time I do my foundation? But if this is the outcome, yes. Next makeup hack is I'm gonna do, she's to place it here and here. Also, I don't have the video, but I remember in another TikTok video, the guy who does like all the hacks said to let your concealer dry a little bit, and I've been doing that and it actually makes a really big difference. So I'm just gonna dry it down because I'm impatient. So I'm just gonna dry it down a little bit with good old Handy. She used a brush, but it's not really my vibe. So after I do that, I am going to set my face with setting spray before I put on powder, because I did this. It was actually this guy, his name is Scratch Beauty, who was Arnell like took the video from. So, and I tried this before and it's fire, so I'm gonna do that now. I just kind of blend that all in. My foundation literally looks amazing. Like, it literally, like, I would go up to people and be like, get close to me, look at my foundation. This is crazy. I'm in shock. I never had my foundation look this good. I obviously have like little bumps and stuff, but that's just my skin. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. So now that I put on setting spray, now I'm gonna put powder. I don't have any powder hacks. I'm just gonna set my face. I don't ever bake. That was another thing in his videos. He said like don't bake or whatever. They say to use a brush, but every single time I use a brush, it doesn't turn out looking good. Like, it gives me that separation and stuff. That's literally why I never use a brush to apply powder. They say it's like top tier makeup artist status. Oh my god, this looks so good. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna do here like he said. All right, now let's do blush. He said like here. Also put blush here, and I'll mention I'll put blush anywhere. Okay, does he have a highlight one? So he doesn't have any highlighter ones, but I have a hack for you. Not really a hack. This is just something that I do, and I really don't like powder highlights that much. I take the same brush that I used for my blush, and I'll just take like whatever highlight, and I'll literally just put it right here. But I do like a very intense highlight on my nose, so I will take a brush that's small and put some highlighter on my nose, but then don't worry, I'll blend it out with my finger. And then also I like a Cupid's bow. I'm kind of feeling like I want more blush, but this is good. I'm gonna put on more setting spray, and then I think I'm just gonna do something simple with my eyes. And I have funny ones that I want to try to do for my lips, because you know how I always say I want my lips to be bigger. We're gonna do a hack after that, but I'm gonna put on setting spray, and then I'm gonna do probably something really simple with my eyes. I don't have any eyeshadow hacks, but this is looking really good so far. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so I literally just did a little tiny bit of eyeshadow. I did kind of a thick wing because I was kind of in a thick wing mood. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this lip trend, which is really funny to me because I think it's gonna look really bad. But I really just want the impression of fuller lips. So she puts on concealer to cover up her lips. Okay, so I'm gonna put concealer over my lips. So I have this lip liner. I think it's supposed to be darker than you, but we'll see. So I'm gonna go. I honestly don't even know. Hold on, let me watch this again. I actually think I'm gonna use this lipstick that I usually use for my lips and go over the outline with this. And instead of that one, because it's really not light enough, I'm going to use concealer. I mean, this is already a mess, so. No one's going to know. Honestly, it kind of worked. I didn't go as extreme as her, but. Okay, you know what? This is kind of fire. I mean, I honestly usually just use this NYX liquid spray lipstick to line my lips in Downtown Beauty and then put concealer in the middle, and I honestly think that kind of makes it look a little bit, my lips look a little bit bigger anyways. I don't know why, with like the brown and then the like concealer in the middle. Like, so you see how they already look bigger? If I would go ahead and take a little bit more of this concealer, you see how they look a little bit more plumper? I just feel like lightness in the middle and darkness around the edges like brings it out and just makes it look more fuller. Is that a word? Fuller, yeah. Guys, I'm gonna keep it 1,099. This is the best that my foundation has ever looked. Like, it's literally top tier. Am I doing all of that every single time I want to do my foundation? Yes. I'm not gonna lie, I was sleeping on TikTok makeup hacks, which doesn't really make sense because they're all like people with experience, regular people just like YouTube. But, and another reason why I was sleeping on them is because you know how like when you see TikTok hacks, or not TikTok, when you see like makeup hacks and it's like, what you're doing wrong, why your foundation looks bad, why you should prep your skin, and you look cool in the video, and literally it's like because you're broke and you can't afford these expensive products. That wasn't the case, because literally I used Airspun, I used Fit Me foundation, I used Makeup Revolution. Like, I'm the cheapest person that you would probably ever meet, and all of these products were really inexpensive, and it still looks fire. Like, the foundation is amazing. That, I think what really set it off was the base, like the priming, like the moisturizer. And I'm doing this with my lips every day, I'm sorry. It works. Does it look ridiculous up close? Yes. But from a distance, who got little lips? What was I saying? Oh yeah, the moisturizing and then putting on setting spray. The moisturizing and then putting on powder and then putting on setting spray and then putting on primer was a 1. And then I also think the setting spray after the cream stuff and then setting spray after powder also helps a lot too. I love everything about this, if I'm being honest. Definitely try this. Go and look up some makeup hacks, even if you want to use the ones that I used in this video. I'll link them down below. If you can link from TikTok, I might put them on the screen. Like I said, I don't really know how it works, especially since I'm like I'm a small person who does YouTube. I don't want to be copyright struck. So I don't know, but yeah, this was so fun. I'm not too big on TikTok hacks anymore. Like, this looks amazing. I hope you guys liked this video as much as I liked filming it. This was so fun. I honestly might do it again with a bunch of different hacks. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. I upload on Mondays and Fridays. Yeah, it would really help me out if you guys followed me on Instagram, liked my Facebook page. All that good stuff is in the description box. So yeah, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.